Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, I am David.
And I am Sophia. Welcome to our channel.
You know what? I want to talk to you about something real today. It is almost the new year, and I know many of you are sitting there right now thinking about your English, thinking about how you want to speak better, how you want to sound more confident. But there is also this little voice in your head, right?
Yes, that voice that says, maybe next year, maybe I am not ready yet, maybe I will never sound like a native speaker.
Exactly. And listen, we get it. We really do. That feeling when you want to say something in English, but the words just do not come out right. When you practice alone, you sound great, but when you actually need to speak, everything disappears.
It's frustrating, we know. But here's the thing. This channel is your safe space. We're here to help you practice real English, the kind of English real people actually use.
Not textbook English, not boring grammar rules, just natural conversations that you can use in your real life.
So if you're ready to finally make this year different, stay with us. We've got something special for you today.
And hey, if you're enjoying this already, hit that subscribe button. It really helps us keep making these videos for you.
So, David, the new year is coming. What is your resolution?
My resolution? I want to read more books this year. What about you?
I want to learn how to cook better. I always order food, and I think it's time to change that.
That's a great goal. You know, New Year resolutions are so common. Everyone makes them.
True, but here's the question. How do you talk about New Year resolutions in English?
Great question. Let me help our listeners with this. When you want to talk about your plans for the new year, you can say, "My resolution is to," and then add your goal.
For example, my resolution is to exercise more, or my resolution is to save money.
Exactly. You can also say, "I want to," or "I plan to." These are all natural ways to talk about your goals.
And you know what? Our listeners should comment below and tell us their New Year resolutions in English. It's great practice.
I love that idea. Come on, everyone, write your resolution in the comments. We read all of them.
Okay, so David, let me ask you something. What did you do last New Year?
Last New Year? I stayed home with my family. We had dinner together, watched some movies, and waited for midnight.
That sounds nice and peaceful.
It was. What about you? What did you do?
I went to a party with my friends. We danced, ate good food, and counted down to midnight together. It was so much fun.
See? Everyone celebrates differently, and that's okay. Let me teach our listeners something useful here.
Yes, please do.
When you talk about past events, you use past tense. I stayed home. I went to a party. I watched movies. These are simple past tense sentences.
And they are super easy to use. You just need to remember the past form of the verb.
Right. And if you want to make it even better, add some details. I stayed home with my family. I went to a party with my friends. Details make your English sound more natural and interesting.
Exactly. Now, let me ask our listeners something. What are you doing this new year? Are you staying home, going out, traveling somewhere?
Think about it in English. Try to make a sentence in your head right now. And if you want to practice, write it in the comments. We want to hear from you.
Okay, here's another common New Year conversation. What are you going to do this year?
Talking about future plans. This is important.
Very important. So, what are you going to do this year, David?
I'm going to travel more. I want to visit at least 3 new countries.
Wow, that sounds exciting. I'm going to focus on my health. I'm going to eat better and exercise regularly.
Good for you. So, listeners, did you notice the pattern? I'm going to, and then your action.
This is how we talk about future plans in English. I'm going to travel. I'm going to study. I'm going to work harder.
It's simple, but so useful. You'll use this all the time.
And here's a tip. When people ask you about your plans, don't just say one word. Make a full sentence.
Yes, don't just say travel. Say, I'm going to travel to Japan, or I'm going to travel with my family. The more you practice making full sentences, the more confident you will become.
And confidence is everything when learning English.
You know what? If you're finding this helpful, give this video a like. It tells us you want more content like this.
Absolutely. And make sure you follow our lip sync because our lip sync is accurate. It helps you see how native speakers move their mouths when they talk.
That's such an underrated way to improve your pronunciation.
So true. Okay, let me share something with you all. When I was learning Spanish, I made a New Year resolution to practice every day.
How did that go?
Honestly, I failed in the first week.
Really? What happened?
I was too ambitious. I said I would study for 2 hours every day, but I got busy and I gave up.
I think a lot of people can relate to that.
Definitely. But here's what I learned. Start small. Don't make huge goals that you can't keep.
That's such good advice. If you want to improve your English, don't say, I will study for 5 hours every day. That's too much.
Right. Say, I will practice English for 15 minutes every day, or I will watch 1 English video every day.
Small steps lead to big results.
Exactly. And you know what else? Be kind to yourself. If you miss a day, it's okay. Just start again the next day.
Learning English is a journey, not a race.
I love that. Learning English is a journey, not a race. Remember that, everyone.
And we're here to walk that journey with you.
Every single step of the way.
Now, let's talk about some common New Year phrases you can use.
Yes, good idea. So, when the new year comes, what do people say?
The most common one is Happy New Year.
Simple and classic. Happy New Year, everyone.
You can also say, I wish you a Happy New Year, or best wishes for the new year.
These are polite and friendly ways to greet people. And if someone says Happy New Year to you, what do you say back?
You can simply say, Happy New Year to you too, or thank you, same to you.
Easy, right? These are phrases you will actually use.
Now, let me give you all a challenge. Say these phrases out loud right now. Do not be shy, just practice.
Yes, practice with us. Say Happy New Year. Say it again. Happy New Year.
How does it feel? Good? That is the feeling of progress.
Every time you speak English, even alone, you are getting better.
And that is what this channel is all about. Real practice, real progress.
Okay, let us do a quick role play. I will be someone meeting you at a New Year party. Ready?
Ready. Let's go.
Hi, David. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Sophia. How are you?
I am great. This party is amazing. Are you having fun?
Yes, I am. The food is delicious and the music is great.
I agree. So, what is your resolution for this year?
My resolution is to spend more time with my family. What about you?
I want to learn a new language, maybe French.
That is wonderful. I hope you achieve it.
Thank you. I hope you achieve yours too.
Okay, stop. Did you see how natural that was?
Yes, this is exactly how people talk at parties or gatherings.
These are real conversations, not fake textbook dialogues.
And our listeners can use these same sentences in their own lives.
Exactly. Now, I want to talk about something important. Many of you watching this video right now, you feel nervous about speaking English.
You worry about making mistakes. You worry about people judging you.
And I get it. I really do. But here's the truth. Mistakes are part of learning.
Every native speaker made mistakes when they were learning their own language as children.
True. You think babies speak perfectly? No, they make mistakes all the time.
But they keep trying, and eventually they get it right.
That is the attitude you need. Keep trying, keep speaking, keep practicing.
And do not wait for perfection. Perfection does not exist.
Just aim for progress, a little bit every day.
This new year, promise yourself one thing. Promise that you will be brave.
Brave enough to speak, even when you are scared. Brave enough to make mistakes and learn from them.
Brave enough to keep going, even when it feels hard.
Because you can do this. We believe in you.
And thousands of people watching this video right now, they're on the same journey as you.
You are not alone. We are all learning together.
Now, let me give you some more useful phrases for the new year. When you want to talk about your hopes, you can say, I hope this year brings me happiness, or I hope I can achieve my goals.
You can also say, I'm looking forward to this year, or I'm excited for the new opportunities.
These are positive and natural ways to express yourself.
And positivity is important. The way you talk affects the way you think.
If you keep saying positive things in English, you'll start feeling more positive about your English learning journey.
Mind and language are connected.
So speak kindly to yourself, in English and in your own language.
All right, let's do another quick practice. Imagine you're talking to a friend. They ask you, what do you hope for this year?
How would you answer? Think about it.
You could say, I hope I can travel more. I hope I can improve my English. I hope I can be healthier.
Or, I hope I can spend more time doing what I love. I hope I can meet new people.
There are so many ways to answer, and they are all correct.
The key is to be honest and genuine. Speak from your heart.
And remember, you don't need fancy words to express yourself. Simple words work perfectly.
Sometimes simple is better. Simple is clearer.
Exactly. Now, I want to share one more thing with all of you. This new year, make English a part of your daily life.
What do you mean by that?
I mean, don't just study English, live it, use it.
Ah, I see. Like change your phone language to English.
Yes, or watch movies in English, listen to English music, read English articles about topics you love.
When you make English part of your daily routine, it stops feeling like hard work.
It becomes natural. It becomes fun.
And that's when real learning happens.
So this new year, ask yourself, how can I bring more English into my life?
Maybe you can start journaling in English. Just a few sentences every day about your day.
Or maybe you can find an English-speaking partner online, someone to practice with.
There are so many ways to practice. You just need to start.
And you know what? This channel is here to support you. We make videos every week to help you practice.
So if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button.
Seriously, it's free and it helps you stay consistent with your English learning.
Consistency is the secret to success.
100%. It's better to practice 15 minutes every day than to study for 5 hours once a month.
Small, consistent efforts create big results over time.
And before we finish, I want to say something to everyone watching. You chose to watch this video today. That choice matters.
It shows you care about improving. It shows you're serious about your goals.
And that's amazing. Be proud of yourself for that.
This new year is going to be your year. I can feel it.
You are going to speak better. You are going to understand more. You are going to grow.
And we'll be here cheering you on every step of the way.
So, Happy New Year to all of you. May this year bring you everything you hope for.
And may your English improve beyond your expectations.
Before you go, do us a favor. Leave a comment below and tell us your New Year resolution in English. We want to hear from you.
And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. It really makes a difference.
Also, follow our lip sync because our lip sync is accurate. It's one of the best ways to improve your pronunciation and speaking skills.
We put a lot of effort into making sure everything is perfectly synced.
All right, everyone. That's it for today. Thank you so much for being here.
Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and remember, every word you speak is progress.
See you in the next video. Take care.
Goodbye.